welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful, lovely, handsome, amazing senior co-host by the name of Totopoh. Today we are going to bring you guys the FabFitFun Summer of 2019 add-ons. Like always, this video is in partnership with FabFitFun. You guys, I don't remember how many years it's been that I've been partnered with FabFitFun, and I'm kind of excited. So I'm excited because every time there's an add-ons, it's a surprise. I don't know what's in the add-ons bag. And this time they sent it in a clear bag, and I've been trying really hard not to take a peek. I may or may not have seen a couple things already, but the cool thing about add-ons videos is that if you follow other YouTubers that you know are also partnered with FabFitFun, they're gonna get different stuff. So you kind of get to see this video many times, but all with different items. So I don't know about you, but I look forward to watching those videos. You guys know that I watch these beauty YouTube videos too. In fact, that's how I got started. But anyway, that is a story for another day. For those of you that are unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box with the price of $49.99 a season. But you do get beauty, wellness, fitness, health, all kinds of fashion items, full-size products shipped to your home every quarter. Now, if you guys have never signed up for FabFitFun and are curious to try it, I do have a $10 discount code for you guys that will be listed on the screen and in the description box of this video. It is add-ons, and that will get you guys $10 off your first box. Now, if you're not a member of FabFitFun, this video might actually be a little useless to you unless you sign up, because the add-ons are only available to those that are members already. Now, what are add-ons? Add-ons are amazing full-size luxury products that you can get at a really, really hefty discount. So what you do is you go to the FabFitFun website. Those of you that are signed up for a year get first pick of the litter, and you go on, and any of the items that you add to your cart will get shipped to you in your seasonal box. So not only are you gonna get your seasonal box, you're gonna get all those other extra perks that you got after watching these add-on videos. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. So the Totopoh is probably gonna be in the background of this entire video. I hope you guys don't mind. He is my 13-year-old Chihuahua that spends most of his days napping. So he's gonna help us present the products in this bag. I'm probably gonna scare him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh. All right, you guys, so I have the bag in my lap. I'm gonna be as quiet as possible, but I feel like the noise of the bag will build up the suspense, kind of like when you're in school and you get to go to the treasure box and you don't know what little Jimmy's gonna pull out. It's kind of like that. So the noise is like, oh, Dani's in the treasure box right now. The first thing that I see is a dry brush. Now, you guys know my friend Madison. I talk about her all the time. She has that non-toxic living blog, Madelie. And she's been dry brushing. Now, I don't know if she's done her update on her blog. I like her blog because she'll tell you on Instagram, hey, right now I'm testing out celery juice. And then a month later, she'll actually do a full-blown post on it. So she's been dry brushing. I haven't seen her post yet, but if it works, count me in. The next thing that I see here, I wanna say is brushes, because this feels very familiar to something that I've seen before in a FabFitFun box. Now, you guys know I use the same like 4 brushes for the history of my life, but this is a huge brush belt. Oh my goodness, it's from Crown Brush. So there is a little gander at all of the brushes in here. Now, it would be very easy for me to unwrap a couple of these brushes and feel them on camera in front of you, but it would be a lot more satisfying to give this brush belt to someone that actually needs brushes. So, you know, that might be something that you are interested in. Then I have a couple of products from a brand called the Siam. All right, you guys, sorry about that. This appears to be a Korean beauty brand. Do you guys remember when I was all about that Korean life? Like, I was obsessed with all Korean beauty products. In fact, I even did a collaboration with a box brand. It was so much fun, but this was like 5 years ago. So we got the Warata toner and the Warata essence lotion. So these are Korean beauty products with products derived from Australia. So that's exciting. Then this, I peaked on this, you guys. I have to admit, I'm honest with you guys, I totally peaked, but I peaked because when I saw this, these eye patches. I was like, I hope they're Wonder Beauty. So I have a thing for eye patches, like eye gels, like a big thing, like almost a problem thing. And everyone talks about the Wonder Beauty skincare eye patches. This is a Wonder Beauty discovery kit. It's called Take Flight. It has the patches and it has a couple of other products here. It looks like it has a hydrating mask, a brightening peel, and a facial oil. I'm so excited, I'm nervous. So this is what the discovery kit looks like. When you open it up, it has 2 packages of those eye gels up here, and then you have the mask, the oil, and the peel. They're a pretty generous size, I would say, for a discovery kit, which I really like. If you're gonna try skincare, it makes sense that they don't give you the full-size product, but it also makes sense that the sizes are generous enough where you can use it long enough to see if you actually like the brand. So loving that. Then I see a couple of products from Ahava, which is a brand that I used for a very long time. In fact, I still use their dry oil, but I actually use their Dead Sea eye serum, face serum, and what was the other product? I used 3 products from them for a very long time, for years. So this is the special size mineral shower gel. You guys know that shower gel is a sensitive subject around this neck of the woods. So if this is something that I fall in love with, hopefully they don't change the packaging or discontinue it. That is only a joke that the true OG pandas will understand. We also have the mineral foot cream from the same line, the Dead Sea Water. I'm really bad, I have to say. I am really bad at taking care of my feet. I get a pedicure every month and a half, maybe every 2 months. I know that sounds like a long time, but when you get gel, it lasts. But aside from that, I don't do anything else. So I feel like this is karma in life just telling me, by the way, feel free to use this. And then we also have the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. So these 3 products are from the line of Dead Sea Water. Really cool. Then we have, I actually have this exact roller and I really, really like it. This is the Rose Quartz Roller from Zoe Ayla. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I have a quartz one, a rose quartz one, and I have a jade one. And I don't know if it makes a difference. I think if you're into crystals, it does. It claims that they do. And even though I don't know, I prefer my rose quartz one over my jade one. I feel like it stays colder longer. I don't know. Anyway, just fun fact. Then we have these 2. I have to say, when I saw them, I had no idea what they were because they were peeking out of the bag. And I was like, that seems like a product I want to try. Why? Just because of the cute packaging. Can we talk about this for a second? Isn't that adorable? This is from a brand called Busy Beauty, and they are showerless shampoo and conditioner. So I'm guessing it's like dry shampoo and dry conditioner. I'm gonna smell it. Doesn't it look like it would just smell good? Like, I'm just gonna put this in my hair. Wait, hold on. Like, oh, I'm just gonna spray this in my hair and just casually show you the packaging. It just looks like it's adorable. It looks like it would smell good. And I was right. It smells delicious. Oh God, that does smell good. I don't know about waterless conditioner or dry conditioner. I feel like that's only for people that have really thick, oh, that feels nice. I got some on my hands. Really dry, really coarse, really thick hair, then you wanna do the conditioner. Other than that, like if I put on dry conditioner, I'm like, that sounds like I'm playing with fire, you guys. Then we have 2 products. Is it 2 products or 3? 2 products. No, yes, 2 products. Take 2. 2 products from Skin and Lab. We have a B+ calming serum and then a C+ brightening serum. So I've heard a lot about this brand. This is actually a very popular Korean skincare brand that has really made a name for itself in the US market. So I'm not very familiar with what a B vitamin serum would do. I know for sure vitamin C serum is kind of your way to go with reversing the signs of aging and removing age spots and brightening and all that good stuff. Vitamin B, I don't know. Let's see. So this one says, persistent application of B+ calming with pro vitamin B5 will help calm and regulate excess sebum. So it's supposed to calm your skin, and if you have very oily skin, it will make it less oily. So it will make your skin feel like, hey, it's already oily enough, you can stop generating so much sebum. So that's fascinating to me. Then we have a phone pocket. This is one of those that attaches to the back of your phone and turns into like a wallet. That's really cool. I love the color. I'm gold everything. You guys know that. All of my jewelry is gold. I can't remember the last time I wore silver. This, I cheated. I was like, is that deodorant? Is it in there? Is it green? Is it non-toxic beauty? This is from a brand called Curie, and it is a natural deodorant in the scent white tea. I don't believe this has baking soda. Oh wait, it does. Darn it. Baking soda and natural deodorants, you guys, although they work better on my skin, they irritate me. So it's kind of pricey. It's kind of a pricey deal, you know, but God, it smells good. I might have to try it. You know what? I'm committed to this non-toxic deodorant journey. I'm committed to it. So far the pharmacy one and the Ursa Major are head to head, but this one smells really good. Really excited about this. I just pulled it out and the first thing I saw was mineral tinted sunscreen. My favorite type of sunscreens are mineral because they are healthier for the skin, although my holy grail one is chemical. So I've been trying to find a really good substitute for it. I'm currently testing one out right now, but I might throw this one into the mix because it's tinted. So it's from a brand called Unsun. It has SPF 30 and it is a mineral sunscreen. Looks like that. My issue with mineral sunscreens is that they're usually sticky and kind of greasy. So there is a little swatcheroo. It's probably one of those that has just barely any color to it. The issue with mineral sunscreens for me is that they're kind of sticky. This one doesn't feel sticky at all. It actually got absorbed really good. And it's not tinted to the point where it would show up on your skin. Awesome. Two products from a brand called SPF RX. So one of them is a C12 plus antioxidant serum with high potency vitamin C, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid. I always have to say that word twice. Hyaluronic acid. That's what that looks like. And then the other thing is a lip plumping lip gloss set, which looks like this. Isn't that adorable packaging? I really like that. I love the colors that are in here, but this would totally draw me in. I love that like light green shade. There's 3 colors in here. All right, how does this work? So we have the tint and then we have the clear. So these two are the colors right here, and then that's the clear one. I would totally wear these colors. Like, how many of you have seen me wear these colors my entire YouTube career? And I couldn't have planned this better. It totally looks like I set it up this way, but the last thing that I get to show you guys is a set of masks, sheet masks. My favorite. So I discovered sheet masks like 6 or 7 years ago, and I never looked back. It's so much easier to do, and it's almost like you have no excuse not to mask, because you could put one on while you're vacuuming, you could put one on while you're watching TV, while you're editing. So this is a collection of 3 different masks from a brand called Dermovia. This is a lace your face, and it has the ear holders. A lot of masks now have these little ear holders so that you can actually get up and move around and the mask doesn't slide down your face. So this is a tightening and reviving collagen mask. There's a little example of what the mask looks like. This is a moisturizing and anti-aging one. Look at the design in the back. It kind of tells you how to put the mask on. Isn't that nuts? And then the last one is a lace appeal. This is a peel-off mask with the added support of the actual mask. So it comes with the vial here that has the mask, the peel-off mask, and then it has the sheet that you put on top for deep penetration and easy removal. Anyway, you guys, that is it for my summer add-ons for FabFitFun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember that I do have a $10 discount code for you guys that have been kind of on a limb trying to sign up, thinking about it, not thinking about it. My FabFitFun summer video will be up really soon after this, but right now, you guys, don't forget that if you are already a FabFitFun member, you want to add a couple of these items to your cart before the window closes. And like any and all my videos, anything that you saw in this video, like this amazing makeup tutorial that I have right now, my watch band, my shirt, my chihuahua, will be listed and linked in the description box below of this video. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.